Get into a line that you will find to be a deep personal interest, something you really enjoy spending 12 to 15 hours a day working at, and the rest of the time thinking about. All you have to do is know where you're going. The answers will come to you of their own accord. Whenever we're afraid, it's because we don't know enough. If we understood enough, we would never be afraid. People are where they are because that is exactly where they really want to be, whether they will admit that or not. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge and rule our lives from within. We all walk in the dark, and each of us must learn to turn on his or her own light. What's going on in the inside shows on the outside. Everything in the world we want to do or get done, we must do with and through people. You can measure opportunity with the same yardstick that measures the risk involved. They go together. The big thing is that you know what you want. Your world is a living expression of how you are using and have used your mind. You are now, and you do become, what you think about. Problems are challenges to creative minds. Without problems, there would be little reason to think at all. The opposite of courage in our society is not cowardice. It is conformity. No man can get rich himself unless he enriches others. A good deal of frustration and unhappiness could be avoided if people would just do what they know they should do. Don't concern yourself with the money. Be of service, build, work, dream, create. Do this and you'll find there is no limit to the prosperity and abundance that will come to you.